New Horizon Aircraft keeps cruising along since it received a Natural Sciences and Engineering Research Council (NSERC) of Canada Applied Research and Development (ARD) grant totaling $450,000. This brings the total NSERC federal funding collaborative to more than $3.4 million. The grant is part of a multi-year NSERC-funded collaboration with Fleming College and Ontario Tech University, which will support Horizon Aircraft's hybrid electric eVTOL development. CEO Brandon Robinson expressed gratitude for the Canadian government's continued support, stating that it demonstrates the recognition of the strategic importance of cutting-edge aerospace development. The company has made significant progress in its eVTOL development, including the world's first successful fan-and-wing transition flight with its HOVR wing technology. Horizon Aircraft is currently building a piloted, full-scale hybrid electric VTOL prototype aircraft. Aside from the NSERC grant, New Horizon partnered with ZeroAvia, a global leader in hydrogen-electric powertrains, to explore zero-emission, regional eVTOL power systems. The companies will cooperate on evaluating ZeroAvia's ZA600 hydrogen-electric powertrain in the KVRT X7, Horizon Aircraft's unique fan-and-wing eVTOL. This partnership will accelerate research into the necessary infrastructure and certification guidelines to unlock a zero-emission pathway for Horizon Aircraft. The collaboration with ZeroAvia represents an innovative move forward for Horizon Aircraft as it considers all operational and practical technologies. Val Miftakov, founder and CEO of ZeroAvia, stated that more and more eVTOL companies are looking to hydrogen electric propulsion as a breakthrough that can extend range potential and durability of electric propulsion systems. New Horizon Aircraft's CEO, Brandon Robinson, believes that the partnership with ZeroAvia could develop into a viable solution to deliver clean, fast, and highly efficient air travel. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.